Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'm doing a video on my latest thrift haul that I did. So I went to two places. I went to Goodwill, and then I also went to a place that's similar to Plato's Closet. It is called, I can't think of what it's called. Oh my gosh. It's like the bougie Target version of Plato's Closet. I'll think of it later and then let y'all know what it is. But basically what I'm going to be doing today is showing you what I got and how much it costs, and kind of some tips and tricks on what I do whenever I go thrift shopping. So stay tuned. So when I went to the thrift store, I knew what I was looking for. I was looking for like jackets. I really actually wanted like some blazer jackets that are super long, you know. But I ended up finding a different variety of jackets that I really liked. So the first thing that I picked up was this super cute blazer. This is what it looks like. It's like a lime yellow, not necessarily a lime green. And this was $3.99 at Goodwill. And so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to zoom you guys out so you can actually see the full body. Alright, so this is what we have. This is what it looks like. I really like it. I think it'll go good with honestly any outfit. Right now I just have on some jeans. Woo! I just have on some jeans, but I think it's cute, you know? She could do a little something with this. So yeah, blazer at $3.99 from Goodwill. I also got these pants from Goodwill. They are some white pants that are super long actually. And they're a bit high-waisted, and I just thought these would be so perfect if I have like a work thing that I need to do, or if I want to dress up. Like, these could go either way. And these were also $3.99 from the thrift store. So, okay, then I found this super cute vest. This is what it looks like. And let's show you what it looks like on. So this is the vest on. It's just super cute. I've been really into vests lately. Like, I love them. I love them. And I always put my fingers through here, but the pockets are like right here, so that's a little weird. But yeah, and I think this vest was also $3.99. Yep, also $3.99 from Goodwill. This, top 3 finds of the day. So this is an express jacket that I got. It's like a long black jacket. And I got this for $3.99 as well. Let's put this on. And this is what it looks like. It goes to my knee. So I really love it. And I mean, come on, it's express. Like, this probably cost a good 50 bucks, maybe 70 bucks when someone originally bought it, and I got it for 4 bucks. So can't be mad at it. And my last thrift store, well, my last Goodwill haul piece, I don't know, anyways, was this jacket. Let me show you this jacket. This jacket is so beautiful. Ah, I love it. It just gives me like vintage, I don't know, like 70s vibes. This is what it looks like on the side and the front. And it's super warm, and like this little part, it's already coming out, but it can be removed. So you can make it a light jacket or like a puffier jacket. And it just has a zipper right here. But yeah, and I've also taken in the bottom because it has a drawstring at the bottom. But this is just, I don't know, man. I love it. Like, it's so big, it's so poofy, it's blue. Like, I think it's cute. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But yeah, so this was $6.99. I've worn this one. So Yeah, this was $6.99, but it was a yellow tag, and yellow tags were 50% off. So I think that I got this one for like $3 or $4. And then my last jacket that I ended up getting, I got from, I can't believe I can't remember the name of this place. Uptown Cheapskate. That is the name of the place. So I got this from Uptown Cheapskate. And honestly, Uptown Cheapskate is a fucking scam. It's a scam. Like, bruh, I went there, I bought some clothes there, and they literally got 2 things. And they were springtime things. And they gave me $8. First of all, one of them was a pair of shorts that I thrifted from the thrift store and customized. They were Levi shorts, and they were black, kind of high-waisted. I cut them, rolled them up, and made some shorts, right? They took those. They didn't take my nice-ass shoes that I had in my bag. They didn't take, like, all the other things that could have been useful in my bag. But whatever. I ain't even gonna be mad. Most of it was winter clothes, and apparently they're only taking summer clothes. But let me tell you, they're gonna mark that stuff up really high, especially those Levi shorts. Like, they gave me probably $4 for them, if that, and they're probably gonna mark them up to like 15. So it's like ridiculous, but they gotta make their money, I guess. So anyway, I went in there. I wasn't expecting to, well, I was expecting to find stuff because I was like thinking it was gonna be a thrift store, it was gonna be cheap. No, everything was expensive, especially like the really nice quality name brand clothes. Like, it was expensive. So this is what I got, and I just love it. Like, this is probably my favorite thing that I got, and this was $20 though, so I'm a little salty that I actually paid the $20 for this. But let me just slide it on. Do you understand why I got this? Like, fam, tell me it ain't cute. It's so cute. I love it. Like, it gives me Portland, Oregon. I'm a vegan. No, but seriously, it does give me like Portland hipster vibes, or, you know, I'm about to go walk a mountain or some shit. So yeah. So anyways, that was the bulk of my haul. It wasn't really a lot. It was just mostly some jackets and stuff that I've been wanting to get for a while. So whenever I go thrift shopping, what I really like to do is go to the sides of town where it's rich. You know, everybody knows the rich side of town, right? So I go to those sides of towns, to their Goodwills, especially around the holidays or around springtime, because people are spring cleaning, they're getting rid of stuff, or they've gotten new stuff so they need to get rid of stuff, you know, for Christmas or whatever. And so that's like the prime time to go thrift shopping in your area. And what I do is I look at almost everything. This last time I didn't really look at everything because I found stuff so quickly, and I was actually surprised. I was like picking up stuff left and right, like, this is cute, this is cute, this is cute, whatever. So I typically though would go in and look through everything. I'll start with the women's first, go through the women's stuff. If I find a lot of good stuff, then maybe I won't. But then after the women's, I'll move into the men's section, because the men's section, you can always find some nice pants that you can cut up, customize, whatever, to make, you know, high-waisted, or to make high-waisted shorts, whatever, which is usually what I used to do, is to just go into the men's section, find some nice pants, and call it a day, customize it. But yeah, speaking of customizing, I have a jacket that I actually got a long time ago from a Goodwill in a suburb of the town that I live in, and I'm gonna customize it. It's like a jean jacket. It looks like it was made for somebody's grandma to take to church, but I'm gonna customize it. Haven't gotten around to doing that, but if I customize that, I might go ahead and upload that video onto YouTube too, just to see. I don't know. But anyway, that's really it. Like, that's the video. And I gotta go because it's 9:48 and I'm supposed to be at work at 10. Don't be like me. But thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up on this video. Comment, whatever you want to do. No one's gonna pressure you over here, but I'm just saying, if you're not subscribed, just press the button. Just press the button. Ain't nobody gotta know. Ain't nobody gotta know. But all right. Anyways, peace out.